Hello and welcome to lecture number 11. In this lecture, we will discuss how software license optimization or SLO works. When you ask an SLO consultant to help concerning the contract of a certain software vendor, the first thing he will ask for is to see your current contract and the previous contracts as well, in order to know your current entitlements and the purchase history and how the first contract developed till the current situation. Second, the SLO consultant will review the installation base of the software. This can be done by specific tools developed for this purpose. That's to say, he should know what's exactly installed in your IT environment and match it with the entitlements which you bought, in order to know if you are over licensed, under licensed, or 100% comply with the vendor terms. Third, the consultant will investigate the utilization of the installed licenses by running specific tools developed for this purpose, and these tools runs in the environment for an average of a week in order to know the peaks of the performance. That's to say, to know the highest utilization and the lowest. This step is crucial to know the return on investment of every license installed and what exactly is being used and what is not necessary. Finally, the consultant compares the outcomes of the previous three steps: the purchased licenses, the installed licenses, and the licenses being utilized, and determines gap between the three outcomes, if any. Gaps here means space for optimization, and it's the main role of the SLO consultant to eliminate these gaps and to offer an integrated report demonstrating his license status, any findings and recommendations and actions to resolve those findings. Once the customer applies the recommended actions by the consultant, optimization takes place, cost reduction is achieved, and compliance is guaranteed. So this was a quick recap of how SLO projects go, and thank you very much for listening, and see you next lecture.